Hey everyone, welcome back to Movement Monday, P3. Alicia here, ready to give you a quick little class that you can use throughout your week, stack it with other workouts, or use it as a standalone. So today we are going to start lying down just to get ourselves centered, but let's go into a roll down to lie down. So sit on your sit bones, feet are pressed into the floor, arms straight out. Begin to tuck that tail and slowly roll down until you are onto your mat. Your arms can go up overhead, stretching long. Feet can stretch long in the opposite direction, like someone's pulling you from your toes and your fingers. Get a good little stretch. And then relax and bring it all down. From here, you can bend those knees, feet flat on the floor, about hip width distance apart. Hands on those ribs. I want you to breathe in through that nose, inhaling to the whole side body, back body, front body. And exhale. We begin to knit and corset everything together. Pelvic floor comes up with that diaphragm breath. Inhale. Exhale. Give me two more like that. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, just to get you really warmed up. Now from here, I want you to immediately curl those head, neck, and shoulders up. Arms straight out by your sides. Pop right leg to tabletop, left leg to tabletop, and we're going right into the hundreds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. Arms should be pumping from the shoulders down and out of your ears. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have it in you, you can extend those legs on a diagonal. Curl up a little bit higher. Eyes should be kind of at those knees or calf height. A little golf ball underneath your chin. Last one. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come on in, give me a slight rock. Now from here, I want those legs to go back up into tabletop. Curl your head, neck, and shoulders. And we're going to start with our double leg stretch. So arms are on your shins, away, and come back to middle. Everything goes out into like a hollow body, and we circle back. For 5, for 4, for 3, 2. On this last one, rock yourself up to your sit bones, hands go on your shins, toes are hovering. I want you to give a slight C curve so you're slightly off those sit bones, and then as you begin to tuck back, rolling like a ball, and come back up to seated. You should not go all the way to your head. You should stop right at those shoulders and come up for 4 and 3, 2, last 1. On this next one, you're going to go all the way down. As you come up, can you lift up into teaser? Then I want you to grab the outside of your ankles where your calves or where your flexibility is. We're going to go to single leg rocker, so you're going to roll back and come up for 5, 4, double. Similar to the rolling like a ball. Your legs are out straight. 2, last 1. My legs are shaking. Get yourself all the way up there. And you come back into your teaser and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, cross those knees. And we're going to meet me in a quadruped position. I want your arms right under your shoulders, knees under those hips. Head gaze a few inches ahead, really pushing up and out of the mat. And then from here, we're just going to go into a normal little bird dog. So right arm and left leg extend, open about the width of the mat, come back into center, place it down. Opposite arm and leg, about the width of the mat, come back in through center, and place it down. Now again, trying to keep everything still except for the arm and leg that are extended and moving. This might mean going slower, might mean opening less. 1 more on each side, but really engage that core. So like, it's really like turned on as if someone just punched you in the gut. Last one. Now from here, can you step those feet out into your plank? We're going to just lift up our right leg and then our left leg for our leg pull. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that right leg up. Can you give me a saw? For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Land in the middle. Put that foot down. Left leg up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come on down onto that right forearm. Directly in line with your shoulder. Legs, knees are bent. Feet are back. Knees are towards the front. Give me some clams. For 6, 5, 4. Really make sure you're lifted up. Neck in line with your spine. If it's a little cranky, you can always look over that right shoulder. Last 1. Now from here, lift up. You're going to go back to front. Little rainbow arch. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place it down. Spin onto that other side. Same little setup. Make sure everything is kind of parallel in line. You're lifted out of the waist. Clams here. You want to make sure you're not rolling back or coming forward. It should be as if you're between 2 panes of glass, for the upper body at least, and nothing is touching either one. Give me 2 more. Next one, lift it up. We go back, and we go front. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Let's finish on our bellies. Roll on over. I want you to lay your head looking right. Hands one on top of the other. We're going to 1, 2, 3. Come back. Stretch everything out with a little extension. Head goes the other way. 1, 2, 3. Stretch out. A little extension. 1, 2, 3. Nice little stretch for those hamstrings. And get some extension in our upper thoracic spine. 3. 1 more each side. 2, 3. Imagine really that energy shooting out of those arms and legs towards the back and the head towards the front. Last one. And lower it all down. You can lift up. Have a nice little child's pose. And you did it. Great work.